Today, let's unbox the 32-piece brushless lithium tool set that'll take efficiency through the roof. Visit EA.10. The three cool power tools. Brushless lithium wrench plus high-speed drill plus ratchet wrench. Engine transmission. This tool set handles all daily car repairs. From heavy-duty bolt removal to tight spot screw installation, max efficiency and pro-level experience. Integrated intelligent battery management system. 13 safety layers, smart battery watch, steady power. 20-volt smart lithium platform fully interchangeable. Brushless wrench and drill with ultimate compatibility. 12 volts and 20 volts fast chargers. Secret battery. Anxiety with non-stop power. The set also includes premium 1/2 extension bars, 3 8-square adapters, and 3 standard pneumatic sockets covering most mechanical repair needed. 3. This hex shank adapter set interchangeable for fast, convenient use. Plus 13-piece high-speed twist drill bit set effortlessly. Drills and taps through steel and plastic. This power tool could covers 90% of your mechanical repair needs, deliver maximum efficiency and zero hassle.